Tarsals are the bones of the ankle, just as carpals are bones of the wrist. There are 7 tarsals, which is different compared to the fact that we had 8 carpals. So let's start with the heel bone. This is called the calcaneus bone. The bone is not just the back of your heel, it's actually a pretty good portion of the bottom of your foot as well. The calcaneus is under this bone here that is called the talus. And students sometimes get these two mixed up. It's just the way that they articulate with each other. No one else ever knows the word talus. Uh, but I used to take geology courses when I was a student before I started taking anatomy courses. And I knew that the word talus is, it's the rock debris that falls down a mountain and collects at the base. And you've seen rock formations like that. So the talus bone is at the base of the leg. And I don't know, it makes me laugh to say that the talus bone is at the base of leg mountain. The tibia articulates with the talus here. There are fractures called Pott's fractures where the tibia and the talus completely disconnect. Like your foot is like hanging off of your ankle. Hard, hard. I like to make students group these 3 bones together and associate the calcaneus, the talus, and the navicular, right? The navicular bone is just anterior to the talus. So for me, as a student, I could always recognize the talus, and then I would be able to place the calcaneus, which is underneath it, and then the navicular, which is anterior to it. There is a row of tarsals that articulate with the metatarsals or the foot bones. Medially, there are 3 bones with a common name, the cuneiform. I had to look that one up. It means hieroglyphics, like writing on stone. These are the 3 cuneiform bones, the medial, the intermediate, and the lateral, right? Obviously, the medial one articulates with the big toe, right? Right? Look at your foot. And then you can move laterally to name the other 2. It's this last bone here that everybody forgets, and many people get it wrong on the practical when it's on it. This bone here is the cuboid bone, and I oftentimes have students call it the lateral cuneiform, forgetting that the cuboid bone articulates with digits 4 and 5. So all the tarsals that articulate with the metatarsals have names that start with C.